Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing another daily dash. And today is Saturday, it's 12:45 in the afternoon. Great time to get some Doordash orders in. I'm logged in Green Valley. I'm parked in front of a casino right now. It's called South Point. Hopefully we get an order within the next 10 minutes or so. But I'm actually watching the UFC right now, so I'm not too concerned with getting orders. I'm just like, I don't know, I'm easily entertained, you know, by the UFC. So I just like to go and do Doordash while I'm watching the UFC because I feel like I'm getting paid to watch the UFC. And if you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with the UFC. I work with some UFC fighters, so of course I'm going to be obsessed with the UFC, you know? Anyway, so today we want to talk about raising our energy a little bit. This is one tip. Just before we get the daily dash started, I like to give you guys a few tips on how to make your life better. So financials and fitness and all that stuff. So if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing the like button for my channel, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want more entertaining videos that also have some information in them. So one of the things that I would suggest is drinking lots of energy drinks throughout the day. Drinking coffee right before, I'm just kidding, we don't do that. Don't drink energy drinks. If you guys want a quick way to have less energy, and that's drink energy drinks. Now, I personally drink coffee and I drink pre-workout. Usually I'll rotate, I'll do coffee one day and then I'll drink pre-workout. And I always do it first thing in the morning when I'm fasting and on the way to the gym, of course. And the first thing that I do is go to the gym. Now, if you guys want to have more energy throughout the day, as silly as it sounds, go work out and go do like a light workout. Don't kill yourself first thing in the morning. But personally, what I like to do is get a nice full body workout. I'll do back, buys, chest, tries, legs, abs, maybe some stretching, get my body feeling really good first thing in the morning. And that's the number one way that I would say to get better energy. Number two, sleep. Sleep is the most important thing. There's nothing worse than only getting like 4 hours of sleep, and then the next day you're just drained, and then the next day you're half drained, and then you're always going to be trying to catch up on that sleep. So get a good night's sleep. That is very crucial. So a good way to get a good night's sleep is don't eat right before bed. The worst thing you could do is eat right before bed, because all that food is just going to turn into fat. You essentially just wasted food, you just wasted money, and you're going to get fatter just from eating right before bed. So don't do that. Cut out the energy drinks, cut out the eating before bed. Let's see, what else is there? I would say just keeping a constant fitness and like staying active throughout the day is one way to keep your energy levels up. And also protein. Protein is so important. Protein is something that is probably the most important thing that you can do to keep your energy levels up, because protein is going to fuel your body and it's going to make you stronger. Your brain's going to work better, everything. Just, if I could suggest one thing to people, it's get your protein. Also, get your water. Personally, I like to put a lemon in my water. I just do. To get some extra vitamin C and just makes it taste better. So make sure you're drinking enough water. The more water, the better. One last thing to increase your overall energy is to try to reduce the amount of carbs that you're eating. Don't try to eat carbs with every single meal. Carbs are, imagine if you had a string that's this long, and that's your energy levels throughout the day. Instead, so this is your total energy that your body has throughout the day, okay? So every time you eat some carbs or something, you're gonna get this energy spike. That string is gonna get shorter. Then you're gonna have an energy decrease because you're gonna get tired and you're gonna crash. String gets even shorter. What are you gonna do for lunch? You're gonna eat more carbs. String just got shorter, right? Then your energy levels throughout the day, you get what I'm saying. They look like this, up and down, and that string's really short. Rather than if you just try to only eat carbs around the time that you're working out, that's gonna help your body so much. So just try to stick to eating carbs around the times that you're working out. I would suggest an hour to an hour and a half before you work out. Because if you're just eating carbs, especially like right before bed, there's nothing worse than eating a bunch of French fries or something right before bed. Just don't do it, and try to stay away from the greasy foods. Seriously. Oh, we got an order, and it's from a place called the Angry Pilgrim Turkey. Oh my God. It's $10 or $10.75 for 5.7 miles, but it goes over towards the gym, which I do not mind going to right now anyways. The Angry Pilgrim Turkey, and I feel like I need to take this just because it's kind of a funny name. So we're going to the Angry Pilgrim Turkey. What a weird name. It's Capriotti's. They have so many of these like undercover restaurants in Capriotti's. There's like the vegan place. There's apparently the Angry Pilgrim Turkey Subs. Like, it's so weird, these like restaurants in disguise, you know? It's like, I don't know. I don't get it. I guess it's like more stores for Doordash to... I just don't even get it. I just don't get it. Why do they do that? I was literally just talking about this the other day when I was talking about how all of Capriotti's like undercover restaurants that they have, like, they're always late. God, they are always late. Like, I don't know what's up with it. The Capriotti's restaurant, when you get orders from there, they're always fine. But anytime it's like forget some their vegan restaurant, or apparently this Pilgrim place or whatever it is, late. Always. I don't know. Anyways, alright. So, enough complaining. We got a $10 order, 5 miles. I just sat there and watched the UFC. Wasn't that bad. But, okay. Anyways, so, driving over to the customer. Be right back. Round 1's about to start for the co-main event. Oh my god, this is that customer that they leave out this tray with like snacks and waters and sodas and all that stuff for you. If you're a delivery driver, it says, "Thank you, delivery drivers, for all that you do," and there's like a little tray on the side. That's so nice. I delivered to them like a few weeks ago, and I remember talking about it on the vlog. So I'll be right back. Yeah, so nice. There's a little tray. It's got waters. So nice, so nice. The guy just waved to me. Man, when customers treat their delivery drivers like that, I mean, man, that's setting the standard pretty high. But be right back. This co-main event's getting pretty intense. Oh my god, that was a $19 order. They left me an extra $9.
His right hand is constant, his left hand is constant.
Alright, just picked up an order for Papa John's. 7 miles, or $7 for 3.4 miles. So a little bit over $2 a mile. Pretty good. I'm down with that. And then it kind of stays in the same vicinity of the gym, and I'm probably gonna hit up the gym right after. I drank, so I actually woke up at like 8:15 or so today, which is normally like significantly earlier, but I've been waking up pretty early lately because I've been going to bed at like 10:30 or so, which is not normal for me. Normally I stay up pretty late, but I've been getting tired of staying awake too late and like drinking and like, I don't know, just been trying to stay on that grind and just get ahead, as far ahead as I possibly can, because we got shows next month, and I know it's going to be easier to fall behind when we have like a full day of rehearsals and all that stuff. So I'm trying to get as far ahead on the videos and on the off-axis stuff as I possibly can. Anyway, so yeah, Papa John's order. Trying to stay hydrated. Make sure you guys drink lots of water. If you guys want, you can put like ginger or lemon in your water, or maybe both. I don't know. Spice it up a little bit. But personally, I try to drink 4 to 5 of these a day. This is, what is it, 24 ounces or so. It's about 24 ounces, so basically about a gallon of water a day. That's about what I try to drink, and everyone should try to drink that much, because everything works better when you are fully hydrated. So hydrate, people. Alright, just dropped off the second order from Papa John's. Went pretty well. I lost service though, so I had to freaking contact customer service. It's so annoying when you try to deliver something and then you run out of service. Getting another order right now, $7.50 for 6.3 miles. Not gonna do it. Yeah, not gonna lie, this co-main event, I thought the last one was a co-main event. This one's actually co-main event. And it's one of George St. Pierre's training partners that's fighting. And if you guys don't watch UFC, George St. Pierre is like the greatest fighter of all time. So it's definitely interesting to say the least. But I'm gonna chill here for a little bit until this UFC is over. So I'm not gonna lie, getting a little too distracted for the daily dash today. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing and also like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace, guys. Drive safe.